I'm not a lawyer, and honestly, at this point, Tyrone Blackburn might want to stop calling himself one too, because this man cannot stay out of mess. And yep, he's in hot water again, this time tied to the TD Jakes lawsuits. Let me walk you through it. Buckle up, it's a ride. Now, if you're sitting there wondering who even is Tyrone Blackburn, this is him. He's the same attorney who filed that wild lawsuit on behalf of producer Rodney Lil Rod Jones against Diddy, the one packed with bizarre footnotes and even included a photo of a man they claimed was Stevie J, except it wasn't. It was literally a porn actor. Yes, that lawsuit. But wait, Tyrone's resume of drama doesn't stop there. He's also repping the woman suing DJ Akademiks for assault right now, and, most recently, he's the lawyer behind a $20 million lawsuit against Fat Joe filed by a former hype man. And here's where it gets messy. Apparently, Blackburn got arrested on June 25th. The reason? He allegedly hit Fat Joe's process server with his car, while the man was trying to hand him legal papers tied to an extortion suit. I mean, you can't make this up. Now that you're caught up, let's talk about the realty, the defamation lawsuit filed by TD Jakes back in 2024. Here's the backstory. In October 2024, a man named Dwayne Youngblood gave a series of interviews claiming TD Jakes assaulted him when he was about 18 or 19 years old. TD Jakes responded by suing Youngblood for defamation. And guess who Youngblood's attorney is? You guessed it, Tyrone Blackburn. So, Tyrone fires back, asking the court to dismiss the case, arguing that what Youngblood said was protected under free speech and that TD Jakes' claims were weak. But then, the judge stepped in, and baby, what he wrote was wild. In his response to Blackburn's motion, the judge straight up said that Tyrone included completely fake quotes from past court decisions, even fabricated statements from the judge's own rulings, and when he wasn't inventing things, he was flat out twisting real legal language to make it say something at DID in single quotes T that the judge said TD Jakes' legal team caught it and called it out in their response. But instead of backing down, Blackburn doubled down and filed another document with even more false claims. The judge wasn't having it. He wrote, and I quote, "In other words, when accused of a serious ethical violation, Attorney Blackburn chose to double down. This is very troubling." He labeled it a clear and serious ethical breach. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. Just yesterday, Blackburn filed a request to withdraw from the case, but the judge basically said, "Not so fast." He reminded Blackburn that lawyers are bound by legal and ethical duties, including honesty to the court. He explained that yes, lawyers can make creative arguments, but what they can't do is make up quotes. Period. Then came the mic drop. The judge said he believes Blackburn used AI like ChatGPT or something to generate the fake legal arguments. But he emphasized that it doesn't matter how it was written, whether it's by a paralegal, secretary, or robot. Once an attorney signs it, they own every word. And in the judge's view, Blackburn knowingly tried to mislead the court. So here's what's happening. Now the judge has stricken Blackburn's motion to dismiss. He now has until July 11, 2025 to file a new one without the lies. He's also ordered Blackburn to submit a written explanation by July 18th explaining why he shouldn't be sanctioned. And finally, there's a show cause hearing set for July 24th where Blackburn has to show up in person and explain why he shouldn't be punished. The kicker: just trying to withdraw from the case doesn't save him. The judge made it clear Tyrone Blackburn will face the music, whether he likes it or not. Now, I'm not a legal expert, but one thing's for sure. If you're looking for a lawyer, maybe don't start with him. Just saying.